We got someone hit us on TikTok asking for a DMI repair, so we set on the road. Look at the nice, beautiful skies of Minneapolis downtown. You dropped it? Okay. All right. So, I will get done with it today. And when I'm done, I'll just give you a call and I'll come deliver it. All right. I appreciate it too. Thank you. Immediately we go to the workbench. We started work. We disassemble the PlayStation 5 so we can get to the ADMI port and replace a new one with it. Then escaped me. I forgot to record the part that I replaced the ADMI directly on the board. So forgive me for that. After soldering the ADMI, we put it together so we can test it. We put it partially together. Now we're testing. We plug in the power supply. We plug in my ADMI tester to test over the power and the data lines. As you can see, it's working perfectly. We are now at the location to deliver the PS5 to the client. If you need any game console, phone repair, tablet repair, DM us.
Man, thank you. This is my card. I appreciate it. All right, thank you.